ContinuumCon is back for 2026. It's our second year show of the cybersecurity conference that never ends. ContinuumCon is an online and virtual event with live stream content June 12th through June 14th. And the live stream is totally public for the whole world and always available on demand, just like last year. The conference is hosted by both Level Effect and the team and I at Just Hacking Training. Attendees can get access to the hands-on workshops, interactive lab environment, and a blue team focused defensive cybersecurity capture the flag competition. And every session is a workshop. Topics across AI, digital forensics and incident response, detection engineering, reverse engineering, threat hunting, malware analysis, and so much more. It's all the best parts of cybersecurity conferences made available to you for life. You keep access to the content forever. The workshops don't go away. The lab environment stays up and available. That's why we call it ContinuumCon, the cybersecurity conference that never ends. Our CFP and call for workshops will be running from February through April. You can submit for the conference and grab your ticket at ContinuumCon.com. And I'll see you there, live and online, for ContinuumCon 2026. Register now at ContinuumCon.com.